IPC understands that cleaning has become critical to keeping our teachers and educators safe. Understanding these new challenges, we have developed a classroom cleaning kit. Using a combination of microfiber cloths, microfiber pads, a 6-gallon bucket with seal lid, a measuring bucket, and the hand trowel or technopad, we have created a safe, efficient, and effective way to clean classrooms. Using the system is simple. Organize your microfiber pads and microfiber cloths in the bucket. In the bucket, you will have 20 stacked spot flat pads, 10 looped pads rolled, and 15 microfiber cloths folded twice in a square. Pour your recommended cleaning solution over the pads and cloths. You will need approximately 1.25 gallons of cleaning solutions. As the pads are denser, pour more of the solution over them. Place the lid on the bucket, making sure there is a good seal. Turn the bucket over for approximately 15 minutes to saturate or charge the pads and cloth. When you are ready to clean, turn the bucket right side up and remove the lid. Your microfiber pads and microfiber cloths will be pre-treated with your cleaning chemical, all ready to use. For whiteboards, attach the hand trowel to the flat pad. Clean all areas with markings or shadows. Replace the pad when ready to clean desktops. Start on the top of the desk, cleaning the entire surface. Next, clean the side of the desk and under the desk where students may have touched while sitting. When the desks are finished, take a cloth out of the bucket for use with critical touch points, making sure to clean the top and underside of the chair where the students may have grabbed to pull their chair in. Using the same cloth, thoroughly wipe down doorknobs, the side of the door where students may have touched when opening, and thoroughly wipe down lockers and the area where students may use to have opened them. Make sure to clean all soap dispensers, towel dispensers, faucet handles, and drinking fountains. Finally, make sure to clean any pencil sharpeners, hand sanitizer dispensers, and light switches. Changing times demand changing cleaning methods. We here at IPC Eagle strive to deliver cleaning methods and systems to help keep you safe and healthy. Contact IPC Eagle today for more information.